Alright, let's dive into a wild thought experiment. Imagine there's an apocalypse and only 2 people survive. Could they actually repopulate the entire Earth? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But let's break it down. First, biologically, yes. 2 people could technically have children together. But here's the catch. Genetics. If those 2 people aren't related, their kids would all be siblings. As those siblings have kids, you'd quickly run into inbreeding. That means a much higher risk of genetic disorders because there's not enough variety in their DNA. Over generations, those harmful mutations would build up, leading to serious health problems. Now you might be thinking, but what about Adam and Eve? Well, even in religious stories, the population starts with more than one couple pretty quickly. In real life, scientists say you need at least several hundred people to avoid dangerous inbreeding. Actually, the minimum number is closer to 160 to 500 people, just to have enough genetic diversity for a healthy population. But let's say our 2 survivors are super lucky, and somehow their descendants avoid the worst genetic issues. The next problem? Time. Even if each generation has lots of kids, it would take thousands of years to get back to billions of people. And don't forget, 2 people can't rebuild technology, culture, or all the stuff that makes life today possible. It's not just about numbers, but also knowledge. So could 2 people repopulate the Earth? Technically, maybe, but realistically, the odds are almost 0. You need way more people, way more diversity, and a whole lot of luck. But hey, it's a fun thought experiment. What would you do if you were one of the last 2 people on Earth? Drop your wildest survival ideas in the comments.